Hey people, Charlie here.
This is what it's going to be like.
So,
Assert your dominance
yes,
first.
all of us are here.
Oh, what?
And ready? Go, go. Who's this? Ready? Who is this? This is my puppy. Ready? What's this?
If you want second mortgage, yeah?
Well, this is my puppy. My puppy. Yeah, that's my puppy. Yeah, she's so cute. Look, I'm literally broken. She bounced up on the gondola ball.
I got you the pizza. I got you the pizza. I got you the pizza. You don't want the pizza. So hello everybody. We're into February. And I'm just pootling up to the breach at Dutton, just before Preston Brook. I've done the 2 tunnels, didn't video it because you've seen it all before. And I'm only really videoing now because I've got a new tripod. That's probably why the angle is so elevated, because it's quite large, the tripod. And it also extends to about 5.5 feet. So I'm hoping to get some different angles, different shots, more higher up. So we'll see. I'm going to have a play around and we'll see what it comes up with. So yeah, keeping in touch and pootling along.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but hearts are full anyway. Hey, playing like children and love like R&J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, fall on my bed. I don't care if loving you.
So what do I think of the new tripod? As a tripod, it's sound. As a massive long selfie stick, it's hard work because it's quite heavy. It's like aluminium tubing. It's great when you can get the camera out there, but your biggest problem you got is turning the camera on and off. You have to sort of like turn it off and then extend the pole out where you want it. And then when you want to stop filming, you have to bring it back in. Now I could control the camera with my phone. But then that's another thing I want to faff about with, and try and steer the boat. So yeah, potentially, I'll see what these clips turn out like. It could potentially get some really good shots, but it's a bit of a faff extending it and then trying to reel it in. So I don't know. It's quite nice to maybe have a higher angle just as a tripod on its own. Just for when I'm talking me rubbish. So that's maybe quite good, because sometimes I feel like I lean my head back when I've got the camera on the tripod. I'm like, I lean it back. I don't know why I do it, so might stop that. And plus the fact it's massive and I can't see where I'm going because of the massive tripod. We'll see.
Over my head. goodbye to road life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head.
So impression of the tripod are, it's great, but it's too ungainly, and I can't steer the boat, and I can't extend and destend, is that a word? Retract, I can't extend and retract the pole while I'm trying to steer. So it might be every now and again I might get it out, but I think as a rule of thumb it'll just be a tripod. I'm a little bit disappointed, to be honest, but hey, you can't have everything, can you? It moored up at the breach line in Dutton. Very pleasant. Only boat here. It's not that muddy once you get past that end bit there, so that's nice. Won't be covered in, caked in mud. And yeah, might even have somebody to get rid of the batteries for me. I've always got a long walk back to the road to lug them things, I'll tell you. But with a bit of luck, we'll see how it goes. This is me and the Hound signing off. Want to say goodbye, Senna? Are you too busy sniffing? Huh? Nah, she's too busy sniffing.